Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience with us, and for that don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Legal Bee. If you have any queries relating to government exam preparation which you can give after law, then you can reach out to us by writing us an email on hello@iexamb.com. आप हमें directly call कर सकते हैं on the number 9205524028 and हमारे पास online courses भी available हैं for examinations like SEBI, RBI, IBPS. All these examinations are covered in online courses. So you can check it out. The demo of these courses you can activate by visiting our website www.iexamb.com. कोई भी queries हो आप हमें इस वीडियो के comment section में भी reach out कर सकते हैं. We will definitely try to respond as soon as possible. आज के वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं about the Spanish woman rape case that has taken place in Jharkhand. So the Honorable High Court of Jharkhand has taken suo motu cognizance of this case, the gang rape case that has taken place with a Spanish woman. She was traveling with her husband by a bike and both of them were traveling by road. They were traveling from one state to one city to another and they had stopped for tenting. So when they were camping at that time, rape has taken place with this woman, and also assault was committed on her husband as well, and even 10,000 rupees were stolen away from them. So this is a very heinous crime that has taken place with foreign national in India. So this is a very big shame for us, because when a crime takes place in our territory with some foreign national, definitely this is not just crime against a woman, not just against society, but also involves the name and fame of the country, and ultimately going to affect the tourism of the country as well, because then the foreigners will not find India to be a safe country. Even the Indian women will not find India to be safe, but also the women coming from outside, the foreigners coming from outside, they will also not find India safe. So that is why the Honorable High Court, it's not just because of she is a foreigner, but this is a very important factor, as this is making the case very serious again. No doubt, rape with any woman, gang rape with any woman is a very serious case, is a very sensitive matter. So in this case, the Honorable Jharkhand High Court has taken suo motu cognizance. Before we move ahead with the details of this case, there is a free workshop which is going to be conducted by our expert faculty, Ms. Vidika Bansal and Ms. Sneha Dubey, and that is going to be conducted on 7th of March at 8 p.m. What is this workshop about? It is relating to how to cover Companies Act for various law exams. So don't miss out this opportunity. आपके जो भी queries हैं relating to Companies Act, you can reach out to us. इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको registration link भी मिल जाएगी about this workshop. So do reach out with your queries to us. This is a free workshop. This gang rape has taken place in Dumka. Dumka is a village area in Jharkhand. This matter has gone before the division bench, and the acting Chief Justice S. Chandrasekhar, he has called for report from Jharkhand's Chief Secretary and Director General of Police, as well as the Superintendent of Police of Dumka district, where the incident has actually taken place. So all the people in hierarchy have been called for submitting a report as urgently as possible. High Court has remarked as under that the incident of crime of any kind against a foreign national may have serious national as well as international repercussions. This is not just a national issue but also an international issue. What are the repercussions? The bad effects including impacting the tourism economy of the country. And it's a sexual offense. A sex-related crime against a foreign woman is likely to bring adverse publicity against the country and thereby tarnishing the image of India across the globe. As we read from newspaper reports, X is a Spanish-speaking person, but it is not known whether there is facility of a translator with the help of whom her statement is to be recorded. Now there are certain technical difficulties here as well, as the language is that she speaks Spanish. So how are we going to translate and record the statement of victim? Then further, there should not be delay on these technical reasons. So everything is under question now. Our safety, our security, our investigation, everything is under check. Even the justice delivery system in India has become in question now. Court has emphasized the need for scientific investigation in rape cases over here, in all the cases, and now we have new amendments in the criminal law. Scientific investigation is very important and there should not be any kind of delay. This is very important in these cases. So accordingly, court has called for report from the Dumka Superintendent of Police. Current status of the case is that the police has identified 7 accused, out of which 3 people have been arrested. 10 lakh compensation also has been awarded to the victim by the government, and it is posted for hearing now before the High Court on 7th of March. So this is the current status of the case. It's good that out of 7 at least 3 people have been arrested, and the police affirms that the rest 4 also will be traced out and soon will be arrested. We all hope that if they are guilty, they should get the maximum punishment as much as per law. And such kind of incidences, not only rape with a foreign national but rape with any woman, is a very heinous crime. God should punish such kind of criminals by way of the justice delivery system, no doubt, and we pray for the victim girls of such kind of offenses. इससे रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेरीज हो या फिर आप कोई भी चीज़ ऐड करना चाहते हैं विच इज़ रिलेटिंग टू द लॉ ऑन द पॉइंट और एनी अपडेट्स अबाउट द केस, you can reach out to us. You can write to us in the comment section of the video as well. Don't forget to subscribe to LegalBee and prepare 50% faster with us for any competitive examination at iExamBee.